Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how you can use graphs in Alight Motion. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure you launch open the Alight Motion application on your mobile device, and then from the main home page, go ahead and start up a new project or open up an existing project you'd like to work on. Once you open up the project on your timeline, go ahead and import the layer you'd like to edit and select the layer you'd like to animate. Your layers can be anything from an image, video clip, a shape, etc. Once you select the clip on the timeline, go ahead and move the playhead to the point from where you want the animation to start. Now click on Move and Transform at the bottom left. Now, select the diamond with a plus icon in it on the top left, and this will be able to mark a keyframe. Now you can go ahead and make your animation and then adjust the property value, that is to move the object to a new position, and you will be able to add another keyframe. You can now go ahead and make further animations. By using the rotate tool, create your animation according to your need. Here I've done some rough animations since I'm not very good at animating. After you make animations to your project, right beneath the diamond icon you should be able to see the graph icon. Simply tap on it and then you should be able to see this interface. In the graph editor, you'll see curve representing the motion between keyframes. You can adjust the curve to change the speed and smoothness of the animation. Drag the handles on the curve to create ease in, ease out or custom motion effect. You can use other tools displayed at the bottom. Go ahead and look for the advanced curve tool as well and explore to get the best animation for yourself. After you are done with it, you can now get back to the main home screen and then play back the animation to see how it works. Adjust the keyframes and graphs as needed to get the desired effect, and once you're satisfied, you can save the project by clicking on the export button. Experiment with different graph curves to understand how they affect the motion of your animation, which might take a while to you to understand. By following these steps, you will be able to know how you can use graphs in Alight Motion. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.